So now looking at the premium M42 bimetal blade. A blade that is originally made for cutting steel, and you'll see it often on horizontal bandsaws chopping through brass, aluminium, mild steel, even stainless steel. Now we've discovered that it works very well on woodcutting bandsaws. Because it's a blade that's originally for cutting steel, it lasts a very, very long time. It's twice the price of a regular carbon steel blade, but I've had it last more than 10 times longer than a regular carbon. Let's see it in action. So as well as a really good wood cutting blade, obviously the premium M42 bimetal blade is a metal cutting blade. Excellent for cutting non-ferrous metals on what is your woodworking bandsaw. Won't cut steel on your woodworking bandsaw, but we do have a machine in our range that will do that. Have a look at the BS11 inverter bandsaw. So that's a couple of cuts on the premium M42 Axcaliber bimetal blade. A blade that's actually become a bit of a favourite of mine, just because it's so durable. I work in a multitude of materials, so I can be comfortable in the fact if I'm using this blade and I do hit a nail or a staple, it's not going to ruin the blade, which does happen on other types of blade. Okay, so something else that you'll find on the premium M42 bimetal blade is, as well as being a hard, tough, durable blade, it's got a slightly different tooth shape, a slightly different tooth pattern to regular woodcutting blades. It's called a variable pitch. A row of coarse teeth, a row of fine teeth, a row of coarse, a row of fine, and this helps you cope with a multitude of different material thicknesses, from cutting MDF right through to aluminium, brass and nail embedded timber. The fine teeth will help improve the finish. The coarse teeth will help clear the waste.